you guys, welcome to FreeTechTV. I thank you guys for joining in here today for another episode. Today we have a pretty cool episode for you. We're going to be unboxing, taking a first look at the HP Spectre X360, one of the most anticipated laptops of the year, as it's known for its gem cut design as well as high-end specs. We're going to get into it here. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing and see what it's all about. Hit that subscribe button, make sure to like this video. Every week we have new tech videos. So here we go, HP X360. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up here. Got some tape, no worries. First thing out of the box, it looks like we have a nice little cover case. This stuff, get rid of that. Feels like leather, but maybe a fake kind of leather there, no worries. Now the exciting part, we are going to get into the laptop here. As we see on the box, it says Spectre. Pretty cool. Feels like a nice, heavy duty box, if I might say so myself. Dun, 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 dun. And here it is, the HP Spectre 360 laptop. Save the exciting part for a moment. What we got in the box here, it looks like congratulations on your purchase and warranty card, setup instructions, should I need that. Inside here, it looks like we got the charger, pretty slim brick. It's going to be a decent sized brick again because of the specs that it's going to need to push. We're going to need that extra power there. And then inside here, it looks like we have a special kind of pen. Comes with the battery as well. So the cool function about this pen, you'll notice that it has two buttons on it. One is for clicking and the other one is an erase tool that will trigger the erase mechanism. So that's pretty nifty that they have that included there. Now let's get into the exciting part. So here is the HP Spectre X360. Again, known for the gem cut design there on the edges. So it looks like for ports that we have the AC charging port, as well as the HDMI port, headphone audio jack, and then on the other side we have a full-size USB port, as well as a micro USB port and another micro USB port, cleverly hidden right on the gem cut there. And then we have the power button here. Opening up the laptop, this is the 15.6 inch model, so we do have a nice 4K display on this model, followed by a full keyboard layout with the number pad included, and we also have a fingerprint card reader here. We do have the Intel i7 and NVIDIA graphics card model to give you that extra push when doing video editing, photo editing, or software development. What's really nice about this laptop is it is a two-in-one design, and that's something that has been really sought after in the newer Microsoft products. So what that two-in-one design means, it can be used for both tablet as well as a standard laptop function, whether you're punching away at your desk, doing emails, or writing essays, whatever you may have, or if you want to be more creative, let's say you're into drawing or you're into painting, what you can simply do is just fold that screen back, and now you've got a tablet just like that. It disables the keyboard when you do fold it back like that, so if you accidentally hit any keys back here, it won't matter because that does fully disable it. One thing on the old laptops that they had a problem with was having the fans ventilate on the bottom. Here that's not a problem. As you see on the side of the laptop, we actually have a clever cutout for the fans to give you that nice airflow so you won't have any problem regardless what surface you put this laptop on. On the top of the laptop, right above the keyboard, you'll see that we have a full size sound bar. So this should give you really dynamic sound. But we're going to save that for later testing of the laptop. Today we're just taking a first look and unboxing and seeing what we get here with the HP Spectre X360 laptop 2-in-1. So very excited to test this out and review it, and of course I'll share my thoughts with you guys. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. Subscribe. Again, new tech videos coming every week. I thank you guys for your viewership, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.